Welcome back to the channel and Hot Car Track, and today we're looking at the Auto Workshop and how we assemble it. Now it does come as a flat pack. I've just taken some liberties and just pre-assembling this front here. What you get in the flat pack, you get a roof, the base, the left wall, you get two poles for the back, you get a back wall, you get a front wall, you get this red fascia. You also get another pole here for the left hand side. You get a right wall, you get a front window pane, you get two front doors, a back window, a left hand side door, and this is just a little desk. What you won't get is the graphics, as you can see here. That's some brickwork, and that's some products, and that's some products, and just some other stuff. If you do require these, you have to email me, and I can email them back to you, okay? And all you do is you print them out on your printer. But when you get this bit of diorama, there is no graphics on it at all, okay? So, as I've just said before, I've just taken the liberty in putting this together here. This front fascia just clicks into the front. You can see all the holes there. I've just done this so it doesn't slow us up. There's one way that it goes, and we're going to start with putting the walls together. Leave the base until very last, so we'll just take that out of the way. Oh, just before we get stuck into it, your kit will also come with this bit of plastic. This will be cut to size. You just put some double tape on it, like you can see here, and you stick it to the inside, right? I'll just loosely do that, and that will give you your window. And it's exactly the same with these internal doors. Just a bit of frosted plastic, okay? That'll all be cut to size. You need some double tape, and you stick it together. Okay, let's get stuck into it. The first thing I like to do is to start with the back wall. It has these poles. All you do is locate the little slots, click them in. If they don't want to go in, just assess what's going on and just see why they won't go in. Now, you can see I've made a mistake. It's too long down the bottom, okay? So obviously it doesn't go in that way. So flip her over, and that'll give you the right way it goes, okay? The next thing we do is this left wall. All you do is just grab your wall and slot her in like that. Almost done. The next thing to do is this right wall. It sits over there like that. Same thing. Find the locators and slot it in. If some of these want to pop out, just a dab of glue, okay? That'll just hold it in place. The next thing to do is this front fascia. It's exactly the same thing. Just locate the two holes there and just plonk that in there, okay? Now the front fascia, as I say, it joins through these holes at the front and also through the side here. I've just put them in to make it a lot easier and faster to do on camera. So we're almost done for the front. The next thing to do is you could put your back window in if you wanted to. I tend to leave it till last, but just slot that in. And there's a front window, you can just slot that in. Okay, we're almost done. Now, the next thing is the floor. There is only one way for the floor to go. This part here is that little veranda. And each wall has some little locating lugs. Just locate them, put it on top, right, and just gently push in, okay? It should just hold in place. If not, a dab of glue again. Next off, we have these two little entry doors. They're both angled. There's a left and there's a right, okay? The reason they're angled is so they fit snug against the wall. Just find the hole there, put her in, and you're good to go. You can see the angle matches up with the wall. And then it's the same here with this one. Okay, and that's how it should sit, and that's how it should look. Okay, next thing to do is your door, your little back left-hand door. The handle of the door is on the sort of far right here. Put him in, and he should just slot into place. Yep, he just clicks into place along with the window. There's also a little desk that you can put in there Then last but not least is your roof. The roof's pretty basic. All the walls have got some lugs, and these poles here stick out a bit, so we get a nice secure connection. And all we do is click it into place, and Bob is your uncle. How about that? Auto Workshop, done and dusted and built in a matter of minutes. How good does it look? How great would that look around your track somewhere? All right, thanks for watching. All the links down below if you want to purchase one. Catch you later.